This first one, it's called, I don't want nobody else. And I wrote this song kind of for those couples that break up and then make up every other month. And you know, they always seem to get back together and it works for them, so good for them.
In my dreams, I don't think I'll ever feel this way again for anyone. So you're the one for me, it seems. So I don't want nobody else. It's always been you all along. So I don't want nobody else. It's always been you all alone. It's been a while. We haven't talked in several months, and we are probably different people now. Did you think that you got rid of all of me? Well, you ain't, no. Seen the last of you, 'cause I don't want nobody else. It's always been you all along. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. It's always been you all along. Yeah, we've been here once or twice before. People talk and say what they want. Even though we've been here once or twice before, it's because I want to be sure that I don't want nobody else. It'll always be you that I belong. No, I don't want nobody else. Right where you are is where I belong. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. It's always been you all along. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. It's always been you all along.
So would you guys say that was okay? I should So this next one is also an original. It is called Without You. And since I'm going on a spiel in all my songs, I will give a spiel on this one as well. So this song is about when you've been in a relationship with someone for a really long time and then you break up. You kind of lose your identity because you've been with that person for so long. So I hope you guys like this. It's kind of a vulnerable song.
I never got to say the words before I meant to say. I didn't intend to send you away. so fast we were falling in love, but something from the sky, from above, you didn't even look back, said goodbye and just left all the memories of us I've had. Without you, the words I wanted to say, they don't even matter now that you have her. Oh, it's clear we've gone our own ways, but I remember your face, those memories that I've kept. I want to erase, yeah. How am I supposed to go on without you, without you? How am I supposed to move on when it's all true, when it's all true? I don't even know anymore who I am. I don't even know anymore who I am. Without you, you came into my life, just as you left it, you let you go. I gotta figure out, how am I supposed to go on living without you, living without you? How am I supposed to move on when it's not true, when it's not true? I don't even know anymore who I am. I don't even know anymore who I am without you.
So yes, we're doing good on time. I have one more song for you guys. And this one's kind of a really special song for me. I wrote this, I think it's been 6 years now, 2008. And I wrote this with my best friend, Vu from Ohio. And there's this rap part that she usually does, but I'm gonna have to do it. And it's in Hmong as well, so I want to say what that verse is so that in case I messed up, you guys know what it was supposed to be. Kuya ko itu thọ chỉ sao cho ku mà li ba ko ya te ko ba ku jen ku bi ya li ba ni xiong ku yin yo chỉ tie ko bông我宁愿有只是把是路去错去也心足有天到了能长度怎么么路路娘的有怎么比的在的歌被谁的眼红 So I think this is a very appropriate song for this conference. Basically what I was just saying, and what the purpose of this song too, when I wrote it 8 years ago, I was still a very happy-go-lucky person. And basically, we're very privileged to be here, we're very privileged to be at this Premier Institute, and this song is just to speak about being able to reach out to others, our brothers and sisters, back in Laos, in this community. And it's really special to be part of a Hmong community anywhere. And basically, I just hope that, no matter what you take from my performances, this one, I hope that you use your education, your music, your words to bless others, to help out others that don't have a privilege that we do. So I hope you guys like this one.
Kapan aku lusuh dan belokku untuk satria toko haitia ku cenyonto kapaboku komu Satu occasion sianico Hai chialutoku Soku sanjay Mua cosa dei Tua kutsai Fai occasion sianico yang terguisah Aku mimpiku yang kau itu Aku kuat Ku saposa tanto Baku shuto kunto Keishon shiamanilo Today nake Mua konsanei Tua kunsai Fai keishon shiamanilo Hai tieko fluku yang terguisah Aku mimpiku yang kau itu Ku yang kau itu tak sesuatu Menimpa kau yang tieko baru Jengku dia limpahnya syangku yang bercieka pun Orang mau有只是把心变成走是变成怎么变得那差走了梦多有了一次梦一个错的改变谁的梦我躲在被我不在爱给种心不痛苦还别过路样的故乡有个梦里不要过一度
Thank you so much, everybody. Look forward to Alex, Chandu, her, and Kalia. They're gonna be great. So.